Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Excel in Windows 10 Easy Guide. Open Microsoft Store or Office. Come to find Excel, choose the app or Office 365 plan, download files, and run the installer. Sign in with your Microsoft account and enter your product key if prompted. I will walk you through activation, updates, and basic settings so Excel runs smoothly on your PC. Decide between the Microsoft Store app and the Office 365 suite based on your needs. The Store app gives quick installs and auto updates, while Office 365 includes Word, PowerPoint, and cloud backups. Offline installers work for systems without constant internet and allow manual update control. I will explain installer options, storage considerations, and how to select the best path for reliable Excel performance on Windows 10. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more content. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth for clear money advice that pairs well with budgeting in Excel, and it truly changed how some think about saving and investing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and use those resources to track your progress. Now let's get back to the video. Activate Excel by signing in with your Microsoft account, which also syncs settings and OneDrive. If you received a product key, enter it carefully during setup to finalize activation. Enable automatic updates in the Office settings so security patches and new features install without fuss. I will guide you through the activation screen, common errors, and quick fixes to ensure Excel stays updated and ready for work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.